Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily play a sound from your RSH Smart Tag ITAG03. So if we want to play a sound, we want to go over into items in the Find My. Now here we will have our air tag, so we will have this tag right here. This is the Smart Tag. And now, if we want to play a sound, we want to click on Play Sound. As you guys see, this sound is pretty loud, but this is how you guys can do that. You guys can keep it on, but I won't do that because I don't want to damage your ears. So that's basically how you guys can do this. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.